Hey guys, this is Nathan with Me, You, and Subaru at Parkway Subaru in Wilmington, North Carolina. I'm here today because Subaru announced that they are releasing Wi-Fi updates for your map system on your Generation 3 head units. So your 2018 Outbacks or newer. It's probably the most common. The first thing you have to do is connect to a Wi-Fi network. For this example, I'm going to use my phone's Wi-Fi network, and you just go under Settings, Personal Hotspot, and turn it on if you have this available on your service provider. And then I'm going to go onto the car settings, go to General, scroll down to the bottom, and you can see that my Wi-Fi is turned on, and then I'm going to go to Wi-Fi settings. I'm going to select my iPhone, which has already been selected, and you would type in your password if you have one. And then you're going to go back and go to navigation settings. You're going to scroll down to map update. And so you can do up to 8 different states over Wi-Fi. If you want to do the entire country, you either have to do 8 at a time over and over again, or you can use the USB stick and plug it in to do the updates that way. But what I did on here, I just selected North Carolina because that's where I am. You go to North Carolina, you can select whatever state that you want, and then you just go check for update. So it's searching right now. Okay, so now it's saying, would you like to download and install this update? It says North Carolina, it's 252 megabytes. So if you have limited data, be careful about how much you're using. And for this instance, I would just hit yes, and then it'll start updating. It can take, depending upon your Wi-Fi speed, my estimate on my phone, it might take about 10 minutes or so to download 252 megabytes, depending upon your connection. Then other than that, it's all it takes, and your maps will be updated. One thing that I suggest is that you connect to your home Wi-Fi, and then you go to auto update, which is grayed out because it's an update process right now, but it will notify when you pull up in your driveway if there is a map update available, and you can just let it sit there and set an alarm and come back in 20 minutes or however long you want to update it. Once again, this is Nathan with Me, You, and Subaru. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions.